Well, hey guys, it is me, Stonecaster here. This will be a severe weather vlog. I'll be vlogging not only today, tomorrow, Sunday, and Monday, so there's a 4-day span of vlogging, so this vlog probably won't be uploaded until Tuesday. A lot of rain coming, and a lot of severe weather coming. So let's get this vlog started. Well, looks like we got some storms developing. Wow. It looks like we got some storms coming. I want to try to get home before the heavy stuff gets here. Ugh. Look at that too. Alright guys. Okay, currently under, well, not under a flood watch, but I am under a hydraulic outlook, which means a possible excessive rainfall, which could lead to flooding or flash flooding. Okay, here's the thing, the flash flood watch out to the west of me, the watches have expanded south and north. None of the counties around the Indianapolis metro, no flash flood watches, and my area is supposed to get like 3 to 6 inches of rain. So, I'll get back with you guys when I can. Okay, some weird cloud features going on. Pretty neat. If you guys can hear that, that's the rain falling outside. But I can't hear it very well. Woo! You can't see nothing in the distance. A lot of flooding rain going on. It looks like it ain't letting up anytime soon. And fortunately, I'm trapped. This sucks. Really sucks. I know that I said that there will be a vlog Tuesday, so I think I'm just gonna do 3 separate vlogs, so I'm probably going to this vlog here, so like, subscribe, favorite, and share my videos, and I'll get back to you Saturday evening.